What is going on, guys? I got another Bible story here for you. It's the birth of Esau and Jacob from the Old Testament Genesis, the King James Version. You're just gonna loop the video to find more information out about Esau and Jacob. It's not the full story of Esau and Jacob, by the way. It's just the birth. But you can find more about the story about their birth by looping the video and watching it many times till you discover something. And then just watch it more till there's more discovered. You can watch it as many times as you want, basically. So here it goes. And when her days to be delivered were fulfilled, behold, there were twins in her womb. And the first came out red, all over like a hairy garment. And they called his name Esau. And after that came his brother out, and his hand took hold on Esau's heel, and his name was called Jacob. And Isaac was 80 years old when she bare them. And the boys grew, and Esau was a cunning hunter, a man of the field, and Jacob was a plain man, dwelling in tents. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, we're looking for more. It would be cool if you guys could find out more information about Esau and Jacob's birth. Transcriptions are directly from the King James Bible. Anyway, see you guys next time. Thanks for listening.